Today we're going to unbox and set up the Powernail 50F. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Okay, I've got the Powernail 50F flooring nailer, all right? This is an awesome nailer right here. It's got a lot of really cool functions on it. It's actually really similar to another one I've got, but it's just bigger. Okay, you see some of these samples here beside me. In the next video, which you'll see at the end of this video, you'll have a link. This is just your Bruce hardwood, your traditional 3/4 inch red oaks and stuff like that. But we got some new stuff here. Okay, different thicknesses, some different styles of the Cali bamboo. Okay, it's offered at like the local Lowe's and a few other places. And this stuff here is quite a bit harder than the red oak. Okay, and it can really kind of stop a lot of nailers from doing their job because it's so hard. So anyways, enough about that. Next video. Okay, that was easy enough. Nice. I like the diamond plating right there. All right. Now this right here, if you guys don't know what this is a tapping block, okay? This is basically made out of the same material, at least I'm just gonna assume it is, because it acts like it, looks like it is your really good cutting boards. And I've used it for quite a number of floors, because it came with my other flooring nailer, which I use for the engineered hardwoods and stuff like that. Great tapping block, a lot better than using just a piece of 2x4. Okay, so you got that. All right, got a little ball of oil and a little Allen wrench, and that Allen wrench will be to help with the jams and stuff like that, the other Allen screws on here. There is an instruction manual up here, not really a lot to that. There is a little sliding pad if you want to install that there, right here on the foot, which I probably ought. I got one right there that comes with it. I'm just trying to think if I ought to replace one of my other one, but no, it's still been going just fine. But so there's already one on there. Okay, so here's the nailer. Let's get a little bit closer and take a look at some of the features of this nailer. Okay, I got to squinch down a little bit here, but I want to keep it close so you guys can see the gun mostly. This does not have a pressure tip, so for safety, it's got a double trigger. Okay, so you can't pull it there. You pull the first one back, and now you can shoot away. Okay. We got our nail loader, okay, right there, which is going to be nice, and I'll show you here in a second with the nails actually loading it. But the adjustable foot, I want to show you right here. All right, so this slides back and forth. It has a very simple, just a locking screw right there, and if you need to make it tighter, this one here, let's get rid of the little tag, okay? Okay. You can actually pull it out. Let's kind of tighten it up a little bit. Pull it out. I want you guys to be able to see this. Okay, I can pull it out, and it'll actually, so you can actually advance it on the nut. Okay, so it's actually leaving the nut, and then you're setting it back, and then so you can adjust a little bit better right there. So that isn't just set in one place if it's not tight enough, and it wasn't right out of the box. Okay. All right. So the cool thing about this flex foot, okay, is that it adjusts for any thickness of flooring. So point in case, okay, I got one, okay, that's got kind of a tongue, not a regular tongue and groove, it's got a locking one here. So we got some bamboo here, it's really about 5/8 of an inch. And then we have some traditional red oak, that's a 3/4. And this might not even be, I think it's slightly less than 5/8 on the bamboo. Okay. So you're just going to set the tip of the gun into the groove. Okay. Okay, there we go. Get it going. And then slide your foot down so that we can lock it into place. And then once everything lines up, just tighten the little bolt, and we're good to go. And now it's set for that depth. Now what about this one here? Okay, same thing. Let's loosen it up, adjust the foot so everything is sitting flat, and lock it back in place. Okay, that's really one of the most amazing features about this gun. Okay, so let's go ahead and load the nails here. With the offset head and the slot in the back, there's really only one way this goes in. So there's no way to mess that up. It goes in real nice. Make sure it's, you know, advanced all the way to the front. Kind of lean the gun so the gravity's holding the nails back. You got two places here to grab a hold of. Grab the one on the back. Okay, and it locks in place. Now you guys wonder, what if I want to eject the rest of the nails and get rid of them because I'm going to put the gun up, you know, for the night or till the next project. Well, see, when you grab the one on the back, it keeps locking. Grab the one on the front, and it's going to kind of lift it up, and that way it'll go right over the nails. And there you go. Okay. Now for undoing the jams, that little Allen wrench, okay, that came with the bag with the oil. You're just going to loosen up these 4 Allens, and then this plate's going to pop right off, and you can clear your jam. And then put that plate right back in place. Okay. I may go further in depth with that into another video, but this is just basic setup. Okay, I'm not doing real in-depth teardown kind of stuff like that. And of course, one more feature that most guns will have is an adjustable exhaust port, which is really handy because you don't want this blowing right in your face. You know what I'm saying? Everyone, I hope you like this video. I hope that gives you just a basic idea of what you're going to get when you go and order the Powernail 50F flooring nailer. I do have in the description down below Amazon links. Okay, they'll take you right to the right product, and when you use that link to purchase the gun, it's going to help support my channel, my website, and allow me to help make more videos for you guys, reviews, installations, all that kind of stuff. All right, now with that being said, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel. Always helps out so much. Below that is a link to my website. Hundreds more videos there organized really well. I'll have some additional videos here to my other side, including the next video, which will be the first use. Again, thanks so much. You guys have a great one.